Welcome to my review channel Softspot Reviews. Today we are talking about WebX. WebX is a revolutionary tool that enables anyone to create a profitable website in just 60 seconds. With WebX, you can launch various websites, including e-commerce stores, landing pages, funnels, and more. This AI-powered assistant makes the entire process simple, efficient, and accessible to everyone, regardless of experience. WebX allows you to enter a keyword related to your niche or even use voice commands for convenience. Once the keyword is entered, WebX's AI generates a fully functional, blazing fast website with engaging content, stunning designs, and robust back-end coding. You can customize your website by choosing colors, adding custom domains, and integrating payment links to start receiving payments immediately. The benefits of using WebX are numerous. Firstly, it eliminates the need to hire web designers, content writers, or programmers, as the AI handles everything. This saves both time and money. Secondly, WebX provides free SSL certificates for secure websites, and it ensures fast loading times with its advanced CDN technology. Additionally, WebX integrates seamlessly with popular payment processors and autoresponders, making it easy to manage your online business. Choosing WebX is a smart decision because it offers an all-in-one solution for creating profitable websites without monthly fees. The AI on-page SEO optimization boosts your Google rankings, driving organic traffic to your site. Moreover, WebX includes a free commercial license, allowing you to create websites for clients and keep 100% of the profits. Key features of WebX include the AI-powered website builder, AI voice command, AI content generator, AI copywriting generator, intuitive drag-and-drop customization, preloaded templates, seamless payment integrations, and more. These features make it easy to create any type of website, from e-commerce stores to membership sites. WebX is perfect for entrepreneurs, small business owners, freelancers, and anyone looking to make money online. Whether experienced or a beginner, WebX provides the tools and support needed to succeed. The price of WebX is currently a one-time payment of $197, but this is a limited-time offer. After this period, the price will increase to $997 per month. This one-time payment includes access to all features, updates, and support. WebX also offers several bonuses valued at over $10,000. These include access to a live event on making 6 figures in 60 days, niche website flipping, Builder, SEO Revolution, Traffic Booster, and the Internet Marketing Goldmine. These bonuses are designed to enhance your success with WebX and maximize your profits. Additionally, WebX comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you do not see results or are unsatisfied for any reason, you can request a full refund. This guarantee ensures that you can try WebX risk-free and experience its benefits firsthand. In conclusion, WebX is an innovative tool that simplifies the process of creating profitable websites. With its AI-powered features, seamless integrations, and comprehensive support, WebX is an excellent choice for anyone looking to establish a successful online presence. Act quickly to take advantage of the current pricing and bonuses and start generating income. With WebX today, thanks for watching the Softspot Reviews channel.